Hello guys, it's always my pleasure to come your way with a good video, something educative, something that can help you or support you in your journey of programming. Whatever made you to click on this video, I believe you stay tuned to the end of the video in order to achieve that. Now today we're creating a simple quiz application. An application that helps you test your knowledge with simple questions worldwide. So stay tuned to the end of the video. So you can see this is our coding section. So this is the code that can give us the output of this application. So let's first of all run the application or the code in order to see how the application will function after we complete it. So we run the code. We are going to run it. Now this is how it goes. So this is our first question. What is the capital of France? So you enter the capital of France, then you press the enter key. The next question says, which planet is known as the red planet? That is Mars. Then you press enter. Who is the richest person in the world 2023? Elon Musk. Then you press enter. Who is the real inventor of aeroplane? We have Wilbur and Ovili Wright. Congratulations, you got 4 out of 4 questions correct. This is the code once again. You can go ahead and open your code editor, any code editor you want to use, but remember this is a Python language that we are using, so we have to use Python, not Java, no JavaScript, no any other language. This is how the code works in Python, so you have to use Python language to write this code. There are other ways you can use in other languages, but this is how we do it in Python. So just follow the code, the steps, and then code it step by step. You get the same output, because I wouldn't want to waste much of your time. So just check through the code, go through the code, then you at the end you run it and see if you get the same output as what you got here. You can go through. So this is the end of the code. After you are done, you run the code and see whether you get the same results or not. And remember, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section so that I can help you in case you are not able to get the same results. Now I want to remind you that remember to subscribe to the channel before you leave, so that you can get our future content, so that you not miss any content we create in the future. Thank you for coming to this channel today, and I'm hoping to see you in the next video, and I love you for being here. Thank you once again. See you next time. Bye.